Well, good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you on Monday, October the 28th. And boy, this is not a video I was looking forward to making. I had a very bad day today. Very bad day today. Quite frustrated. I have not traded funded accounts pretty much for most of the afternoon. Apex took a max loss on pretty much all the accounts there, down 300 bucks a piece, we'll call it. So yeah, I didn't take that many trades, but today was just not a very good trading day. And I forced some, not really forced some trades, but I took some really not the greatest setups, didn't execute a few things quite well. And yeah, I paid the price for it, and it really, really stinks. The first trade I took today, first couple trades actually were on YM on the Dow. Looked to have a breakout here and didn't happen. I did chase that a little bit. I'm not happy with myself for that, but I am happy that I took two longs that didn't work out, and then I went short, and that worked out very well. Had a really nice trade, almost back to break even, which I was okay with. Then I also took a long on ES again, and this is one I'm not very happy about. I kind of chased this. So this is not very good when you're, I should have waited for this to give me a good entry signal. And we had a bit of a doji candle here. You can't really see it that well, but had a bit of a doji candle here. And I entered that. This was breaking green as the candle started to open. And I thought this was going to continue again, kind of anticipating instead of waiting for market confirmation. That's 100% on me. So that was a loss. And then the trades on NQ, here just in about the same time frame around the mid-morning, 10:45, 11 o'clock area. This is too a bit of a chase trade, which is, I don't know why I've taken a few of these the last couple of days, but it's definitely hurt me. And again, this was it was a hitchhiker trade, but we had a bit of confirmation, but because of how this market was trending, I should have waited for a better move before entering this trade, and got stopped out there. Had a bit of a winner here, small little short win. And then this one here, I was really dissatisfied with. I entered short, on what I call the hitchhiker setup, not an A plus. Certainly did not take A plus setups on today, and that is on me. But I finally bailed on this and bailed for a $7 loss. I was in here with 3 contracts short, and we just didn't break, and I'm like, I've got to bail because we're not doing anything. And on a short trade, I'm kind of expecting that to move pretty quickly. Well, I get out, and this thing totally tanks there for a nice little about 20-point move. So I missed out on that. And then again, as we kind of had a bit of a pullback here, I jumped in short, and that was a fake out. And that was really just kind of the way the day went. It was just a completely choppy, not a good trading day, and shame on me for taking some bad trades. I'm really disappointed about it. I'm really disappointed in my trading for today. There's not too much to say. I made some bad mistakes, and I paid the price, which really sucks. On the evals, I traded my take profit, and I lost it. I also lost this 150K. This one here, I hit my max daily loss, and then in the afternoon session, right in this chop, I decided to go short and literally got tick stopped out. I was in with pretty good size, and it took me out, and then we fell apart. So that was how the day went. I couldn't get anything right. And then to really kind of make matters worse and kind of add insult to injury, I really had a horrifically bad day on my UProfit account. Down, let's just move this over a little bit so we can see better, and then we'll talk about that. So you can see I'm down 1,300 today. I'm down pretty much the same amount that I was up on Friday. So we kind of traded places Friday and today. Friday had a really good day on this account. Today I gave it back. And what is most frustrating is right before the market opened, I took this short. We had this consolidation, and I took this short, and I had a $500 trade. I was up 500. We were almost at 53,000 in profit. Instead of where we're at right now, we're at 50,855. And then, you can see this move. And then, I was done trading my Apex accounts, and I thought, well, you know what? And this is such a stupid idea, completely stupid idea. I'm going to come back in here and see if I can make some more money back on this UProfit account and at least have a respectable day, even though I'm down 1,500 on the Apex accounts cumulatively. And as you can see, stupid me, and I mean, this is embarrassing, but stupid me goes in and trades this crazy chop zone. And I took quite a few trades. You could probably say that I was a bit tilted. I was definitely not in a bad mindset. And really, if you go through the trades, most of the trades were, you know, I'd have 80, 90 bucks winner on a trade and then lose 120, and then, you know, make 150 and then lose 80, and you know, then make 20 bucks and lose 200. I didn't have any big losers, but I didn't have any big winners, and it's kind of a death by 1,000 cuts. Just none of the moves continued. I would get a setup that I liked, but it wouldn't continue. And I'm not a scalper, so you know, it just, yeah, frustrating, very, very frustrating. But yeah, that is that. I finally just shut it off and said, you know what, I'm done. I'm gonna take a big old L for the day, and it is what it is. It stinks, but that is the way it works sometimes. So take a look at TradeZella. You can kind of see the day we're down 2,800 totally for the day, only 20% win rate, just terrible, terrible trading. And we went back into red for the month, down 800. So that is certainly recoverable over 3 days. But wow, I did not need this kind of a day at all, especially for the month that I have had. So, you know, I'm just going to try to keep my head on straight, get after it tomorrow, and try to take some good trades. I'm going to be very, very diligent. One of the things I really, really have to do is I have to be extremely careful, and I have to totally wait for an A+ setup. I have to. I completely have to. I am taking too many anticipation trades and not taking great setup trades, and it is costing me. I have the last 3 days of trading Apex. I have given away about $450 per account on average. Let's just grab this one. So yeah, that specific trade or those accounts, you can't see it, but the total there is negative 520 for that. So that's about my average. I've given away about 520 bucks over the last 3 trading days. The U-Profit account, I'm not so worried about. We basically just, you know, we traded places Friday and today. Friday we had 1320 in profits. Today we had 1355 in losses. So that's, I mean, I'm not okay with the loss, but it's, you know, we can kind of swap that out. So, but on Apex, you know, I kind of gave back all of my winning or my profits I made over the last week and a half. So, yeah, it's a frustrating day, and it is what it is. I've just got to accept it and move on. I really wish I would have had my head screwed on straight, and once I was done with Apex for the day here around 10:45, 12 o'clock, whenever it was here, when I took my last trade, I should have just shut it down totally and been happy with a $500 day on my U-Profit account and just accepted the 1,500 here. And we would have had a negative $1,000 day, which would have been a lot better than negative $2,800 day. So ouch. And I guess, yeah, that's the takeaway that I hope you take away from this. Man, if you're having a tough day, just walk away. If you've got some green, walk away. Don't try to go back for more. Especially, you know, for me, I was just not trading well. And what made me think that I could switch to U-Profit and continue in this choppy area and do better? I mean, that's just dumb. So I have to eat it. It is what it is. So tomorrow's a new day. We'll go for it from there. So, all right. That's it for tonight. Once again, thank you. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for hanging out. If you're new, feel free to like and subscribe. And also want to say thank you to those of you that use code BCT for the best discount with Apex and Take Profit Trader. Thank you very much. And thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for hanging out, following along. I appreciate you guys. So have a good trading day tomorrow. We'll try to have another update for you tomorrow afternoon. Take care, and so long.